Today, we'll help you screen your hearing and vision right from your home. To start, please review your details. They'll be saved automatically, so you won't have to enter them again. Please take a moment to read and accept the terms. Then click on Check Your Vision to begin your screening. You'll have only 2 tries for each part, so please pay close attention and follow along carefully. Before we start, your screen might show a small box asking to use your camera in the upper left side in the URL box. Just click Allow so we can see your face for the test. If you don't see this box, or if it says your camera is blocked, don't worry. You can fix it by opening your internet browser settings, look for a section called Privacy or Security, and then turn on the camera for this website. If that seems tricky, try opening this page in an incognito or private window. It usually asks again to allow the camera. And remember, if you ever feel stuck, just ask a family member or give us a call. We're here to help. Now, let's set up your test space. Sit in a well-lit room with no shadows on your face. Keep your glasses or contact lenses on if you use them. Hold your phone or laptop at about arm's length, like if you were reaching out to shake someone's hand or holding a newspaper out to read the headlines. Make sure your whole face is clearly visible on the screen. If your face isn't fully in view, your results may not be valid. We'll start by checking how well you see at a distance. Cover your left eye with your hand. You'll see a large letter E pointing in different directions. Tap the arrow that matches where it's pointing. Then a message will ask you to cover your right eye. Click Continue and complete the same steps. Now, we'll check for astigmatism. Keep your device still at arm's length as you did earlier. Cover your left eye and then you'll see lines numbered 1 to 7 spreading outward, like bicycle spokes. Look closely. If any line looks darker, thicker, or sharper, select Yes. If they all look the same, select No. Again, you'll be prompted to switch and cover your right eye. Keep your face visible in the camera the whole time. Next, we'll see how well you notice lighter, faint details. Keep your device at arm's length. Cover your left eye and then see a C-shaped figure that opens in different directions. Tap the arrow that matches where the opening is. It's normal if the shape fades in and out. Repeat with your right eye when prompted.
Now let's check your near vision. Hold your phone or tablet just like you would hold a book. About 40 centimeters away from your face, roughly the distance from your knuckles to your elbow, bringing the laptop or phone closer. Keep both your eyes open. If you use reading glasses, wear them now. Look at the lines on the screen, especially the smallest one at the bottom. Tap Yes if you can read it, or No if you can't. Next, let's screen your color vision. Keep holding your device at that same book reading distance, around 40 centimeters. Look at the colored circle. Keep both your eyes open. If you see a number inside it, type it in. If there's no number, tap No Number. It's normal if your answers are a bit different from others. Nice job. A pop will come up on screen saying you've completed your vision screenings. Now, click Continue to start your hearing check. Now, let's prepare for your hearing screening. Move to a quiet place like your bedroom. Put on your headphones and turn the volume all the way up. Look at the screen and find the button Play a Short Song. Click on it and make sure both sides of your headphones are working properly. Adjust wires or ask someone for help if needed. We'll start by checking your left ear. You'll see a big round button on the screen. It looks like a pink circle. Click on it to play the sound. You'll hear a very soft beep in your left headphone. Use the plus and minus buttons on the screen to make the sound louder or softer. Try to adjust it until it's just loud enough to hear, like a very quiet TV playing in another room. Once you can hear the beep comfortably, click the next button to continue. Now we'll do the same for your right ear. Click play and adjust until it's just audible. Click next once you can hear it. Lastly, we'll screen both ears together. Click play and adjust until it's just enough to hear, like gentle rain falling. Click next to finish.
You've completed both your vision and hearing screenings. A message will pop up. Click View Results to see how you did. There's also an option to submit it for review. You can view your report or share it with your doctor or family. To qualify, you should be able to see clearly in at least 3 out of the 5 vision tests and hear sounds at around 5 decibels or softer. If you meet these, you're good to go. If your scores are a little below the recommended levels, don't worry. This is just a first check. You can retake the screening one more time if you'd like, or we can connect you with a specialist who can help. We'll schedule your consultation within about 48 hours, and there will be a small fee, just like a normal doctor's visit. And remember, we're always here to help. If you have any questions about your results, retaking the screening, or setting up a specialist consult, just send us a message or email us. Our team is ready to assist you.